Advanced Diploma in Medical Coding is designed to launch your career in healthcare coding. On successful completion, you'll receive the LLTP Advanced Diploma Certificate, a recognized credential in the industry, adding solid weight to your profile. Plus, our pre-placement support designed to connect you to top employers means you are not alone in your job hunt. Our graduates have secured packages ranging from 2.8 to 6.5 lakhs per annum. Imagine a future with both stability and growth potential. This 7-month program includes 6 months of technical training followed by a month of corporate training, making sure you are job ready with hands-on experience. With just 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, we make learning both flexible and effective. Attend live interactive classes on the WISE app and join a supportive network through our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. We offer 24/7 doubt clearing sessions, expert-led classes, plus a WhatsApp and Telegram placement channels to keep you connected. So, why wait? Join us at LLRI for a rewarding career in medical coding at an attractive price. And with flexible payment options, this course is accessible for every aspiring medical coder. Click below to learn more and enroll.